Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change theme in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and you want to change theme, so let's see how can I do this. I have just changed my theme, so let's see how can I do this. You just have to put in your settings. In settings, just go from main settings. From here, just select themes, and here you will get different themes. You just have to select which one you want to select as your own theme. I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it, and here just tap on download to download the theme, and here you just have to wait for its downloading. Just wait for it. After downloading, just tap on apply, and here it is start applying theme. You just have to wait for its, and here you can see it has been completed. So here you can see the theme has been successfully changed. So that's how you can easily change theme in your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.